How to use today in a sentence.
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss the correct way to use the word today in a sentence. Today is a simple word, but ensuring its correct placement in a sentence can make your speech and writing sound more fluent and natural.
What does today mean?
Today refers to the current day or the present time. It can be used in various ways, such as 1. To signify the current day, today is Tuesday. 2. To indicate a specific event happening on the current day, there's a meeting at the office today.
Where can today be placed in a sentence?
Today can typically be positioned at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. 1. Beginning. Today, I'll be working from home. 2. Middle. I have a doctor's appointment today at 3 p.m. 3. End. I've completed my tasks for today.
Are there any common mistakes?
Yes, there are a few common mistakes when using today. 1. Avoid redundancy. Don't use today with phrases that already indicate the current day, like this morning or this evening. For example, today this morning is incorrect. 2. Be cautious with tense. If you're talking about an event that will occur later in the current day, use the future tense. For instance, I will go to the store today. But if you're talking about something you've already done, use the past tense. I went to the store today. In summary, today is a versatile word that can be used to refer to the current day or the present time. By placing it correctly in a sentence and being mindful of a few common pitfalls, you can ensure your language is clear and accurate. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll confidently use today in your daily conversations and writings.